तो सुनिए सवाल तो खत्म हो जाए।
Lovers, friends and bodybuilders, आपको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार।
अरे
How are you doing today? I'm feeling damn hungry. Does anybody have a protein bar?
Protein bar?
No. Only if it's approved by my man here, Louis J. Overton, ladies and gentlemen. My man with a plan. He is running my life pretty much. Tells me exactly what to do. And I know that if I just listen to him and stick to what he tells me to do, I know I'll achieve some good results. But yeah, on to your question. I'm so sorry, sir. I just had to address all these lovely people out there. Hi.
It's okay, Ranveer.
Hi, Sunita. कैसी है तू?
जी रणवीर, यहाँ पे अभी सवाल सुन लीजिए।
हाँ।
वैसे तो इंडस्ट्री के सभी सुपरस्टार्स अपने लेट आने वाले एटीट्यूड की वजह से जाने जाते हैं।
जी।
क्या आपने खुद को एक नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार मान लिया?
सर, मेरा गणित एक्चुअली खराब है। मैं मैथमेटिक्स में फेलियर रहा था, तो मैंने जो कैलकुलेट किया था अंधेरी से गोरेगांव 1 घंटा, वो 2 घंटा लग गया, इसलिए थोड़ा सा लेट आया हूँ। उसके लिए मैं माफी चाहता हूँ। उसके लिए मैं उठक बैठक भी करूंगा, थोड़े लेग्स वैग्स बन जाएंगे, थोड़ा कार्डियो हो जाएगा जी। इसी बात पे थोड़ी उठक बैठक हो जाए। Can you clap me up, Louis?
Well, this is for all of you who are waiting.
But they both have great bodies. The thing is, the both of them are very naturally gifted with great physicality. They're very athletic. They've been blessed with great genetics. Guys like me, and I'll speak for my brother Arjun, who's made this statement. We have to work very, very hard in the gym, watch our diet, make sure we go every day, 6 times a week, twice a day sometimes. So for people who aren't really blessed with the greatest of genetics, it's a bit harder. But very luckily for the two of them, they've been born with fantastic metabolism and they look fantastic. Even if they can eat whatever they want and they still look good.
Will we also get to see you acting alongside her in Shuddhi?
I don't know, man. I'm doing Zoya Akhtar's movie after I finish Kill Dil, which is what I'm shooting right now, and I haven't decided what movie to do after that, honestly. फिलहाल तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा जी हैं, जो मेरे साथ घुड़ने में को-स्टार रही हैं और मेरी अगली फिल्म जोया अख्तर की भी वो करेंगी। वो फिलहाल बहुत रिगरस ट्रेनिंग कर रही हैं for her movie Mary Kom, which is produced by my favorite Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and she's going through a very, very rigorous training regime, and sometimes I've been with her while she's working out in the gym. It's a very, very intense program. She's working very hard at it.
Ranveer, here.
She's there.
I'd like
Chocolate.
Thank you. I'd like to ask you, apart from your acting skills, how important do you think for an actor to be successful, he needs to have a good body in Bollywood?
I think for an actor, it's about the characters you play. You know, you're not always like, for instance, you just have to get briefed by your director what kind of physicality he's visualizing for your character. So Ali Abbas Zafar gave me a very clear brief that he is a street thug. So Bikram needs to look really buff. So I tried to achieve that for Gunde. Ram Leela, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali told me that when I come on screen, and you love this, Billy, when you come on the screen, I want girls to either want to tear your clothes off, their clothes off, or the screen itself. So I tried to achieve that. There was a lot of dieting that went into it. We had to have a ripped little bit of physique, but you take your brief from the director. For instance, my current movie Kill Dil, he said, I want you to look like the boy next door. Very accessible, very relatable. I can't have you have a rippling six-pack and big muscles. So I want you to look completely normal. Somebody who perhaps does not go to the gym. You shouldn't look like that. So you try and alter your physicality according to each character. Because ultimately you're an actor playing characters. You're not playing a bodybuilder in every movie, you know. For me, it's a lifestyle. You know, it's a choice you make. And for me, it means a lot of self-confidence. I think till the age of 14, I was considered chubby, overweight. But as I started losing weight, getting fitter and fitter, all the baby fat started going off. Especially when I started bodybuilding, I realized that it does wonders for your self-confidence. Like when I'm in good shape, I feel amazing. and when I'm eating crap and I'm out of shape, I don't really feel very good. So it's, for me, it's a feel-good factor. It constitutes a large part of my self-confidence, especially when you're working in a visual medium and you're in the so-called limelight all the time. It helps if you have that inner confidence, and that comes from fitness. So for me, it's a choice. It's a lifestyle choice, and I would recommend it to everyone. Like I said, I'm shooting Kill Bill right now. After that, I'll do Zoya's movie. After that, I haven't decided what I want to do yet. But it's being directed, I heard, by Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I know this. And it's no secret that I love him from the bottom of my heart. He gave me Ram, he gave me Ram Leela. I know what he did to me as an artist. He liberated me creatively. And it's just, it was one of the most amazing creative experiences and collaborations of my life. The most perhaps significant creative collaboration that I've ever had. And I'll always be thankful to him for that. And I wish him all the very best. I know that this is something that he, you know, it's his magnum opus. It's a project that he wanted to do before I was even born. So I wish him all the very best. I know I've had conversations with him about it, and I know what level and what scale he wants to make it at. So I really wish him all the very best with it. Well, I think diet is really the most important part about leading a fit lifestyle. I think it's 80% of the game is your diet. You know, what you put in is what you're going to get out, man. So I enjoy working out. I really enjoy exercising. I really enjoy working out with him. I look forward to my workouts every day because he makes them so fun, so interesting, so intense. Like I get so much out of my daily workout. You know, the endorphins and all that. It's just it's probably the highlight of my day every day, and it's all thanks to Lewis here. What I do not like very much is dieting. Let's just put it this way, I fucking hate dieting. Okay? But of course, if you want to achieve results, then yes, it is the most important part of your training program, is the diet and nutrition part. 80% of the game in my experience. I read a quote somewhere very recently which says, you can't out-exercise a bad diet. And even if you just stick to dieting and not much exercise, you can still achieve better results than exercising and not dieting. So for me, dieting is the most important thing. You watch your food and you are going to get the results. So I'm just visualizing. I don't know, you guys give me some names. आपको क्या लगता है? Deepika. Sure. आगे? Sure. तो
आप अपने
लगाओ, कौन बोल रहा है?
आप अपने जवाब दे दीजिए.
दीपिका, अनुष्का, प्रियंका, I heard Katrina. Who else? Bipasha. Yeah, Bipasha is a fitness icon, man. She's been at it for so long. I think she's really fit. She lives she has that fitness thing going. She's been athletic for so long. Hey, not bad. Sunny Leone. Yeah. नया एक्सरसाइज सिखाया उन्होंने. सबने सीखा है एक्सरसाइज. Yeah, she's fit. Sunny's pretty fit. जिसकी जो fit नहीं है, सारी fit है. ऐसे कोई नहीं बचा. सभी ट्रेनिंग करती हैं और सारी fit है.
Great.
It's true. लुइस से एक्टिंग कराएंगे. मेरे से बड़ी बॉडी बिल्डिंग कराता है. लुइस से थोड़ी एक्टिंग कराएंगे यार. Lewis, we're going to do a scene from a Hindi movie that I recently did. Okay, we'll do Arjun's dialogue because I prefer that one. I really love that dialogue. So I'm going to say a dialogue and you have to hit me with the comeback. I'll tell you what it is. You don't have to hit me. you just hit me with the comeback. Spit it out, okay? I'm going to say something and you have to say, ये तेवर हमारे खून में है. ये तेवर हमारे
खून
में है। Well, the bug kind of bit me at the age of 16. That's when I went into the gym for the first time. मैं सिर्फ arms करते थे दिन भर। बड़ी 15 and a half. अभी नहीं बचे यार क्या होना। So at the age of 16, I had no idea though. I do understand that fitness and nutrition, there's a lot of science behind it, and the science that's behind it has evolved a great amount over the years. You have some absolutely incredible stuff going on right now in the fitness world. That time we were like dehatis, man, like real cowars, not knowing anything. You just lifting. No sense, used to eat anything, no sense of nutrition, no sense of form in your workout. We used to not know anything, no streamlined program. So we were working hard, but we were not working smart. This is me and my best friends. I've realized that if you work smart, results are a lot easier. When you have experts like Lewis with you, they can guide you through that process of scientific smart working through it. So age of 16, then I started again at 18, then I started again at 21. So I made a really good body for my portfolio, which was at age 25. Since then I've been pretty consistent. But last year I had dengue, and that really took away all my muscle mass. It was a real terrible experience. Lost all my strength, I lost all my stamina. So I was told to stay out of the gym for 6 months, but I've gotten back. So now I'm in the process of getting it all back, which is why I asked you, May tak ki molat de do, fir main aapko dikhaunga chakachak. Mere 6 anmol ratan. Right now I'm just trying to get my muscle mass back. So eating a lot, lifting heavy, sometimes DTP, but mostly just heavy weightlifting for now. And I think in phase 2 we're going to bring in a lot more cardiovascular, a lot more DTP. So yeah, we're doing it in phases. So we're not even halfway through it, but now is the initial phase. First just packing on the muscle, and then we shred it up later. The real deal right there. इसका training program देखोगे ना boss. तोड़ दिए। दिल्ली में गए थे हम किल दिल की शूटिंग करने, 2-3 जिम तो तोड़ के आ गया। They don't have enough weights for you in most of the gyms over here, Lewis. The rack is not just heavy enough.